Hey there, Reggie here over at Awesome Chevy Buick in Chehalis, and today we're going to be going over the 360 camera feature on your new Chevy Silverado. To access your camera views, you're going to swipe over and go to your camera, and from here you can view the front-facing camera. You can do the 360 virtual view. You can also do the left and right view to see both sides of your vehicle. And then if you put the vehicle in reverse, it will automatically show you your backup view as well as a few different views as well. There's also the bed view camera and your trailer hitch camera as well. And another camera view that you also have is the HD rear view camera mirror. You simply just flip the switch on the back of your mirror and it'll activate your backup camera in your mirror as well. Another cool feature with the HD rear view camera is you can adjust the brightness of it, and you can also adjust the zoom level. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure that you like and subscribe.